Welcome back to Business Degree 101. Today, we're diving into a major shakeup at Starbucks that's grabbing headlines. Starbucks has announced a surprising change in leadership. Laxman Narasimhan is being replaced by Brian Niccol, the former CEO of Chipotle Mexican Grill. This transition comes at a critical time for Starbucks. The company's shares have recently surged over 4% following the announcement, indicating strong market confidence in Niccol's appointment. But what prompted this leadership shift? Laxman Narasimhan, who was the CEO of Starbucks since April 2023, faced significant challenges. His move to Starbucks was intended to infuse the company with fresh ideas and a renewed focus on digital innovation. However, with Starbucks facing intense competition and a struggling stock price, the board decided a more immediate, hands-on approach was needed. Enter Brian Niccol. Known for his transformative leadership at Chipotle, Niccol spearheaded initiatives that boosted digital sales and customer engagement. Under his tenure, Chipotle saw impressive growth through enhanced digital platforms and improved operational efficiencies. These are precisely the areas where Starbucks hopes to see progress. Let's explore what Brian Niccol's leadership could mean for Starbucks and the potential impact of this change. Niccol's track record at Chipotle is particularly noteworthy. He led a successful digital transformation that not only streamlined operations, but also significantly increased digital sales. Expect Starbucks to follow a similar path under Niccol's guidance, with a strong emphasis on enhancing their digital platforms and improving customer interactions. This could mean revamped mobile app features, more personalized marketing, and better integration of technology in stores. Another key area of focus will likely be operational efficiency and sustainability. Niccol's experience in turning around operational challenges will be crucial for Starbucks as it deals with supply chain issues and aims to bolster its sustainability efforts. Starbucks has long been committed to ethical sourcing and reducing its environmental footprint, and Niccol is expected to push these initiatives further. Global expansion is also on the horizon. Niccol's experience scaling Chipotle internationally will be instrumental as Starbucks looks to grow its presence in emerging markets. His strategic vision could help Starbucks capture new customer bases and drive growth in regions where coffee consumption is on the rise. If you like this video thus far, remember to subscribe to our channel. So, what do you think of Brian Niccol taking the reins at Starbucks? Will his experience and innovative approach help steer Starbucks to new heights? Share your thoughts in the comments below.